I'm not letting his girlfriend eat my birthday cake. Yesterday was my birthday, and my husband invited his best friend Matt and his girlfriend Jane for a BBQ. We also had all the kids there. I spent $90 on food, and Matt brought 2 lbs of hamburger. While the guys cooked, I swam with the kids in our pond, and Jane stayed near the grill on her phone. Around 5:30, the guys called everyone for food. My middle child and I weren't hungry, so we kept swimming. After 40 minutes, my husband left for a run, and I decided it was time to eat. When we got to the grill, all the food was gone. I called my husband, and he said Jane asked to take some leftovers, but didn't expect her to take everything. He estimated there were at least 8 burgers and 10 hot dogs left when he left. My husband called Matt, who claimed Jane took a few and the rest had been eaten. However, my oldest son saw Jane leave with the entire dish. About 45 minutes later, Jane and her kids returned and asked for cake. I told her kids they could have some, but not Jane. When she asked why, I explained she had taken all the BBQ food before my son and I could eat.